How we doing today? Just wanted to go over our new fork seal kits, which you've probably seen on our Instagram, social media. We have been using and building a lot of forks, over the years. Obviously, we do a lot of suspension work here, and we've kind of very recently decided to kind of piece together the best of the best and offer it in one place, one shot on our website, so you don't have to buy your standard Harley Davidson stuff or deal with the aftermarket kits that some of them are a little questionable. So we've kind of compiled the best of the best seals, bushings, the whole kit to send to your door. So if you're doing your own suspension work, we are using these in-house. Actually going to build a set of 49 mil Dyna forks later in the video with some Legend cartridges. So just kind of wanted to show you what the kit was comprised of and what you can expect to get with it. So first and foremost, comes packaged. They do come in a 39 mil, 49 mil, and 43 mil inverted Harley setup. This setup we're doing today is a 49. We actually did a 43 mil yesterday. Decided we should probably shoot a video to kind of touch on all the individual pieces. So first things first, the seals are from SKF. They are a heavy duty seal compared to what you're getting in your normal seal kits. Less friction, just an all-around better fitting and performing seal. So this is for the oil seal as well as the dust seal. And then the fork bushings themselves we're getting directly from Racetech. They're super slick, low friction, low wear, just all around a great bushing. These are awesome. We've been using these, so wanted to point those out. There's a lot more science in there than I care to go into detail about, as far as both for the bushings and the seals. Also within the kit, you'll get new backup washers, new seal locking rings, new O-rings for your top caps, and drain plugs. The 39 mils will also have the bleeder screw on the back, as well as, I think actually that is the whole kit. But that's everything. The other thing that you might look at the price and go, holy shit, that's a little more than, and it's actually not substantially more than buying 2 fork rebuild kits out of Harley. But these come with blood fluid. It's 20 weight, very awesome stuff. We've been using this for a little bit. We decided to finally pull the trigger and become a dealer in full, so we actually stock this stuff. That comes in the appropriate amount for your kit. So the 39 mil, 49, 43, you'll get what you need to do the job in its entirety. So that's kind of the overview. We'll show you some of the individual components as we go through and assemble these forks. All right, I'm gonna assemble these forks one at a time, obviously. I'm not gonna bog you down with the exact details of building a set of suspension. We're just gonna kind of breeze through it, stop on high points. We do use this Racetech Ultra Slick seal grease, which is amazing, rather than using the messy oil or fork fluid for lubing up your seals. It seems to be doing us really well, so we do use that. This is the first and probably only time you'll ever see me in gloves. All right, so that's basically what, you got your wiper seal, you got your oil seal, your seal backup washer, outer bushing, inner bushing, and we're good to go there. So All right, so now that our fork's fully assembled, now we just got to add our fork fluid to it. We are using Blood Racing 20 weight Pro Series fluid. I'm guessing they call it blood because it's bright red. It works great, and typically when we change it out, it isn't disgusting, but I feel like part of all that is our setup here is, you know, low friction again. So keeping all your internals wearing less is the goal here to keep your ride at that premium level. So we'll top this off. Legends for this exact kit is calling for 14 ounces. That's what we got pre-measured here. So all right, she's topped, so we're just gonna tighten the cap here. We didn't end up using our top cap seals. Legends provides theirs with their kit, so we'll have a couple leftover O-rings. No big deal. Just wanted to point that out. And that's basically not basically, that's the full build. I'm gonna set up the other one, clean this one up, and get you out of here. So, and there you have it. Pretty simple. Components seem to fall together really easily. That's another thing we like about all the components of the seal kit. The seals go in, they don't take, you know, a sledgehammer to put them in. I've struggled with some brands of seals getting them in to go in well and slickly and straight. So these go in really well. The longevity is there. The lack of friction is immense for the longevity of your ride quality. So we assembled this for you guys, and obviously for us. Initially we were using, but decided to bring it to market so you guys could have kind of the one-stop shop for all your components. You're not piecemealing things together. This is the best of the best. This is why we packaged it that way.
Audio Jungle.